At Ridetech, we really concentrate on developing complete suspension systems that are all designed to work together, from the shocks to the sway bars to the control arms and the four-link systems, and getting all the suspension geometry right so we can get modern drivability out of the car. Shock absorbers themselves are really the brains of the suspension. For over 10 years, Ridetech has been using Fox racing shocks, and that came out of a demand. We could not find shocks good enough in the hot rod industry to put up with the demands needed.
Fox has always wanted to be a race-first company and then fall back into an aftermarket company. And with the hot rod market, where they've got a car that they put everything into, and they're looking for it to ride good, handle well, and all that type of stuff, they want to perform as good as they look. Usually the cars are pretty worked out before you want to start adjusting shocks. You want to be inside that window, we call it, and then from there you fine tune for compliance, tire compliance, driver feel, comfort, things like that. So you want to make sure your car is 90% there, and then we start changing shock absorbers.
The shock absorber selection is a very key component into making sure this car can do exactly what you want it to do. The most popular shock that we use is our HQ series shock. It is a Rebound adjustable, all aluminum monotube shock. They ride great, they offer great handling performance, and they're good for even the customer that's going to do the occasional autocross, road course racing, or drag racing.
No matter what the vehicle or the platform is, you can have with adjustability, a real comfortable ride and also a performance ride. So you can make that adjustment, that leap into saying, okay, hey, this is nice to drive down the road, have a conversation, a cup of coffee too, I'm putting on a race helmet, we're going to go get this thing.
To get that last 5% of performance out of the car, the TQ series shocks not only offer rebound dampening adjustment, they also offer high and low speed compression adjustments. Out of the box, they're going to offer plenty of adjustment for autocross, road course racing, drag racing, to really get that last tenth out of the vehicle. When you think of high speed and low speed compression dampening, that's really referring to the piston velocity, and that is measured in inches per second. And typically on a road course, autocross environment, you're going to see around 2 to 4 inches per second. And then on the street, hitting bumps, potholes, 10 to 20 to 30 inches per second. And being able to tune that high speed and low speed allows us to help minimize body roll without sacrificing the ride quality. In some suspension packages, there might be a high motion ratio, heavy vehicle, lots of downforce, and that can cause us to use a much higher spring rate than what we would normally use on that application, which also requires more rebound dampening. Or maybe cars that have an even wider wheel and tire package, or cars that have stickier wheels and tires might need custom valving to accommodate for the extra grip they might be getting. Helping customers select the right shock package for their vehicle is what we do at Ridetech. Regardless of what you're looking for, we can help you accomplish your goals.